This is my 455 big block engine that's going in my 72 Cutlass. You're probably gonna be pushing around 550 to 600 horsepower. Right here is my 1972 Cutlass. The engine is definitely installed. Transmission, engine, and I haven't really looked at it yet. I want y'all to get my live reaction. So we're gonna see it. It's engine, transmission, I think the exhaust is on there, so we'll see. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, God damn. Oh my gosh. It's not even all the way put together yet. God damn. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Casino, and we got Lil Casino. Yeah, Dada. This is a long overdue video. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. We are finally picking up the Cutlass, y'all. That's why we got this stack of money right here. We're about to go pay this man and bring the Cutlass home. This is when y'all clap and cheer and stuff. You know, it's been a long time. Like 50 years. Feels like 50 years. But it's been like, I put that car in there 2020. That car got dropped off over there 2020, and it's 2025. It's funny, in my last video with the Cutlass, I told them that I was getting it out during the summer, but then I whispered and I was like, summer lasts until December. And it's December now. Damn, that's crazy, right? In about 2 minutes, when this lady crosses the street, there we go. In about 2 minutes, we finna put eyes on the Cutlass. Oh, it's right there. You don't see it? That's my shit, that's my shit. Ezra, are you ready to see Daddy's other cool car? Yeah. Let's go see it. Let's go. You guys, it's been so long. We finally about to put this in the garage. Man, I'm so excited. I'm about to go pay him, give him this money, and we're gonna take it home, man. That is a cool car, Ezra. That's a really cool car.
You ever see Cars, the movie? Yeah. I got Doc Hudson. He's on blocks, though. You want to see Doc Hudson?
Say yeah.
Let's go see Hudson.
Yeah. Hi, Hen.
Yeah, Doc Hudson's getting rebuilt.
My dad had like 5 of them.
What?
Oh, yeah? Yeah.
I mean, real talk. I mean, they better not use.
All right, y'all. The moment of truth. The Cutlass is getting loaded up and bringing it home. Finally, bringing it home. It's been long overdue, but it's happening. Y'all don't understand how excited I am right now. It's not running yet, but we got the blueprint though. We finna get it running ourselves. Got the exhaust fixed, got them tucked. Right outside of it.
Two hours later.
All right, y'all, we just made it to the house. For y'all that haven't seen it yet, I'm gonna show you guys the garage before the Cutlass gets here. Kind of cleaning it out a little bit, getting it ready to be parked inside. It's a big car, so it's gonna take up a lot of space. So let me show y'all the garage real quick for those of you that haven't seen it. This is the garage. I still need to get a lot of shelving and just organizing stuff to clean all that up. But yeah, man, this is the garage right now. E36 is right there with the lights. Cutlass is about to go right here on this side. I wish they towed it the other way so it could go in forward, but it's gonna be backed in, which is fine, but you know. The Cuddy is rolling in. There we go. Y'all, it's here, man. He's trying to get it as close to the side as we can, so we still got room to mess with this. But yeah, man, it's here. I'm so excited. Woo! Yo, I'm so excited right now.
A few moments later.
We are at Kyusha Car Meet. Why? I know, right? Ezra. That thing is perfect right there. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, got a dope NSX. Look at that, it's crazy right there. It's like a track Ferrari. Do you see that one, big boy? This thing is crazy. Look at the wing on this. This is probably my favorite car here. This E36 right here, that thing is nice. It's for sale. You selling it? This dude had white TE37s on here last time. If anybody wants a 95 E36. Wow, look at this one.
Ooh, look at this purple car, Ezra. That looks like Daddy's car. But in purple.
This one is crazy. This E46 in Phoenix yellow for sale. Damn. Everybody's selling their cars. This E36 is nice. All right, I'm gonna start spending money then. I'm gonna start spending money. I'm gonna spend my next 2 paychecks on my BMW. This thing is nice. I need these seats in here. These exact seats. Yeah, to match my interior. This is one of my favorite cars here so far. I seen it last time. This thing is so nice. This is a BMW 2002, for those that don't know. But anyone, that one or that one, these are my dream Hondas, y'all. Those are so clean.
Oh, the right-hand drive.
Oh, I didn't even notice that. Right-hand drive. Never seen a right-hand drive. You see cool cars? Yeah. 15. Bolna had 2 of these. The red ones? Yeah. Out in England. Look, this E30 is so clean. I see that. I see you. Yo, I've been saying that I want this car next. I had the same car, but a convertible. I gotta get one. I gotta get a notch next. I love the square body 90s look. A lot of people don't like it. I love it. Oh, another box body. You don't know how crazy this is. It's been what? Oh. This thing is crazy.
I'm just trying to chase the cheese, bring it back to the hole. I mean, back to the coast. I reside and they know. Be by my first name, not my nickname. I've been cruising for the bruising. Hope this crew to change the music. All they coding, they for the clicks. Don't make sense. Niggas got no hits. I'm like,
Holy, I have to get one of those, bro. Holy crap. I need that.
these women is enticing me. Why? Cause I'm a different, my. Cause I'm a different. Alone is soul and blaze, I wake and soul is now. I know I found my purpose when I heard them flowing.